Hello, Anderson's class. Today we are working on volume. Can you find the volume? Can you find the various parts of volume?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Volume is the amount of space inside a 3D shape, right?
Yes.
And the label for volume is units what? Units cubed. Volume is dealing with 3 dimensions, right? So it's units to the power of 3 or units cubed. All right? We know dimensions would be the different measurements of a shape. Okay, cool. All right. Formulas and labels. Perimeter. How do you find the perimeter of any object? Boom. How do you find the area of a square, a rectangle, or a parallelogram? How do you find the area of a triangle? How do you find the volume of a 3D shape?
Length times width times height.
Sweet. All right. There we go. LWH, V, equal sign. We know what they all mean. This is a 3D shape. This is considered on the 3D shape what?
Length.
Say again.
Length.
This is considered the,
Width.
and this is considered the
Height.
volume. Is it acceptable if you are given volume by a visualization with cubes? Could you just count the cubes? Yeah, if you can, just count the cubes, right? Sometimes you can see all the cubes. Sometimes we have some hidden cubes. Others of you are like, nah, I would rather use the dimensions. So if we have these 3 dimensions that I just circled, could you just multiply them together, right? Length, width, and height. Length, width, height. In this case, there's no opportunity to even count cubes, right? So you just have to use the dimensions, right? Okay. Sometimes they give you all of the dimensions, or I'm sorry, they give you 2 of the dimensions and the actual volume, right? In that case, you have to find the missing number. What do we use? We can just use guess and check. So you pull out your calculator, you type in 12, you type in 6, and you start guessing numbers until you find an answer that equals 576, right? We good?